You think you're exhausted, but you're not. You're depleted. And it's not because you're doing too much. It's because too much of what you're doing is taking more than it's giving. Everything in your life is either giving you energy or draining it. The conversations you have, the content you consume, the way you just move through your day, it's either filling you up or it slowly empties you out. So of course you feel tired, not because you need to do less, but because you need to choose differently. Ask yourself, is this giving me energy or taking it? Like, is this conversation expanding me or draining me? Is this content lifting me up or pulling me down? And you know what I mean by that. Or is this action creating momentum or resistance? Then choose what gives, because even one small shift changes everything.